If confidence was a pill, you'd already be healed. If it was a feeling, you could just wait for it to show up. But it's neither. Confidence is a muscle. And the reason PIED has such a tight grip on you is because that muscle, your nervous system, hasn't been trained. Today I'm going to show you how to build it, how to make confidence your default setting, and how to stop relying on motivation completely. If you ever said, I felt great yesterday, why am I struggling with this today? This is why. Because real confidence doesn't come from how you feel. It comes from what you've trained. Let's get specific. If you're dealing with porn-induced ED, you've trained your body for years unconsciously to chase dopamine, not discipline. You've trained it to collapse under pressure, to seek safety in fantasy, to avoid presence when discomfort hits. So now, when real intimacy happens, your system doesn't just freeze, it panics. Because it hasn't been trained for tension, only escape. This is why PIED isn't just about arousal, it's about conditioning. And conditioning is change through repetition. You can't wish your way out, you have to train your way out. You wouldn't expect to bench 225 after one gym session. You wouldn't expect abs after one clean meal. So why are you expecting full body confidence after one breathwork session? One moment of presence, one good day. Confidence, like strength, is forged through resistance, through volume, through rhythm. And every time you skip reps, whether in the gym or in intimacy, you lose muscle. The only way to grow is to show up anyway. This is why nothing sticks right now, because your nervous system isn't getting enough volume to adapt. You're not under-trained, you're under-repped. Confidence doesn't come from one-off moments. It comes from normalization. That means feeling arousal and staying grounded, facing anxiety and not retreating, experiencing failure and not crumbling, showing up on low days, not just the high ones. The third rep matters more than the first. Why? Because that's when the voice in your head says, skip today, you're fine. That's where the rewiring happens, not in success, but in resistance. Because repetition isn't about forcing outcomes. It's about training identity. Here's something I've seen over and over with men like you. You commit to a practice, maybe breathwork, maybe dopamine detox, journaling, no PMO. You do it hard for 3 days. Then you skip one, then 2. Then you start over, again. That's not failure, that's a rhythm problem. You've trained for spikes, not stability. And confidence isn't built on peaks, it's built on rhythm. Your body doesn't trust your motivation, it trusts your consistency. So if you want unshakable confidence, if you want your nervous system to actually change, you have to give it daily rhythm, not weekly inspiration. This is why the Morning Wood method isn't a course, it's a system. Because systems build rhythm, and rhythm rewires your identity. Let's talk practically. Here's how you build your confidence gym. Number 1, set your non-negotiables daily. Whether that's breathwork, dopamine-free mornings, cold exposure or movement, mindful presence and intimacy, soloed or partnered. These aren't optional, they're reps. Track the reps for evidence. Every moment you override distraction, every time you stay grounded, every choice to move into discomfort, log it, write it down, stack those receipts. You know why. Number 3, never miss twice. You will mess up. You will miss a day. That's not what breaks you. What breaks you is thinking the miss defines you. Discipline isn't about perfection. It's about returning fast. Never miss twice. This is where it gets exciting. As your reps stack, as your rhythm stabilizes, you'll start to feel something strange. You'll stop thinking about confidence. You'll stop obsessing over your erections. You'll stop waiting for permission to feel ready. You'll just start being that man. Not chasing results, not trying to prove anything, just living as the version of you who trains. shows up and leads his nervous system daily. That's when the shame fades, because now you're not performing confidence, you've become it.